Now see this question. Which one of the following equation is true and why? Y equal to 3x plus 5 has a unique solution, only two solutions, infinitely many solutions. Our answer is infinitely many solutions because this given equation, linear equation with two variable, you know that very well, linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solutions. Let's see some examples based on this concept on blackboard. Write four solutions of pi x plus y equal to 9. Here you can substitute any value to x. Let me substitute 0 to that x. So if x equal to 0, just substitute this value in given equation pi x plus y equal to 9. So pi into x value, that is 0, plus y equal to 9. Pi into 0, that is 0, plus y equal to 9. So y equal to 9. Solution should be in the order pair of x comma y. Here x value 0, y value 9. So the point is 0 comma 9. Now let us find second solution. Let x equal to 1. So just substitute this value 1 in given equation. Pi x plus y equal to 9. Pi into 1 plus y equal to 9. Pi ones are pi plus y equal to 9. Y equal to 9 minus pi. So the solution is 1 comma 9 minus pi. Okay, let's find third solution. Let x equal to 2. Just substitute this value in given equation. Pi x plus y equal to 9. Here x value, that is 2, is it? So pi into 2 plus y equal to 9. Pi into 2, that is 2 pi plus y equal to 9. Y equal to 9 minus 2 pi. So the solution, order pair of x comma y. Therefore 2 comma 9 minus 2 pi. Let's see next solution. Let x equal to 3. Let's substitute this value in given equation. Pi x plus y equal to 9. So pi into x value, that is 3. So pi into 3 plus y equal to 9. Pi into 3, that is 3 pi plus y equal to 9. So y equal to 9 minus 3 pi. So the point is 3 comma 9 minus 3 pi. This is our fourth solution. Let's see our next example. Write four solutions of the equation x equal to 4y. If you write the given equation in the form of linear equation in two variable, you can write that x minus 4y equal to 0. Okay, let's find that solution of given equation x equal to 4y. You can give any value, but here I am giving x equal to minus 1. Let's substitute this value in given equation. Minus 1 equal to 4y. From that, just you find the value of y. 4y equal to minus 1. So y equal to minus 1 by 4. So the first solution is in that order pair of x comma y, that is minus 1 comma minus 1 by 4. So first solution over. Let's find second solution. You can give that value x equal to 0. Okay, any value, that's your wish. So 0 equal to 4y. So y equal to 0 divided by 4, which means 0. So the solution is x coordinate, that is 0, y coordinate, that is 0. So 0 comma 0. That's it. Let's find third solution. Let me give a number 5. So x equal to 5. Let's substitute this value in given equation x equal to 4y. 5 equal to 4 into y. It means 4y. So y equal to 5 divided by 4. So that's it. So solution in the form of order pair x comma y. So 5 comma 5 by 4 is our third solution. Okay, now just tell me fourth solution. So let me take the value x equal to 10. So just substitute this value in given equation x equal to 4y. So 10 equal to 4y. So y equal to 10 divided by 4, is it? Y equal to 10 divided by 4. Here, just to cancel it, y is equal to 5 by 2. So, the fourth solution 10 comma 5 by 2.